emergency room and shopping day. Mama and Beth come back from a whole day of emergency room medication adjustment and a little shopping in the rain.
That's the mailbox that she ran over. We'll put it back up again, but it just won't stay up very well. Get back in there. Come on, come on. Look who's home after 7 hours in the emergency room. Y'all been out of the emergency room for an hour. Where you been? Took you an hour to get home? Took you an hour to drive home. I was just there.
She refused to leave. She's inside. Can you see her inside? She refused to leave the door until the rain stopped.
What store?
Abraham's. I had to go get her paper. I had to go get this while she stood in the store and watched the rain.
You soaking wet.
I know. My hair, I wouldn't go to her USA Today. Then she came back. She wanted to Marshall News Messenger. And this is when the pouring rain and the siren was going on. You wouldn't leave Abraham's until it stopped raining.
She loves that Abraham's.